You've probably heard the rumors that Lion's Den is going away. It's true. What? Oh, no, don't worry. It's coming back like the Rising Phoenix and better than ever with a total makeover. The University of Michigan, Villanova, and Notre Dame all use something called One Campus. Our new Lion's Den portal is One Campus. Let's take a brief tour.
RVCC's new portal is lionsden.ravenval.edu. On the sign-in page are examples for both faculty and student logins. Lions Den has all the same links as the previous version, but now recognizes your role or multiple roles and personalizes its functions and look for you automatically. Above your sign-in ID, you can view the other roles. Faculty and student staff workers have 2. Everything is organized in boxes called tasks in alphabetical order under headings. Above the announcements and roles at top are 2 handy shortcuts. Browse Categories focuses on groups of tasks specific to one role. My Employee, for example, shows 12 tasks by default and 34 when expanded, all in one convenient place. Search is powerful and finds your terms even behind the title of the task. For example, faculty can email their classes. Note how the faculty class list summary goes straight to the student information system. Students in courses that use our learning management system, Canvas, can enter those courses directly. You can easily set and remove favorites using the small heart icons. And finally, the responsive interface functions fine on mobile devices. When done, sign out from the drop-down at top or close the browser. Experiment in New Lion's Den on your own.